This is Pittsboro in July, which means if you have a garden, it can quickly get out of control with weeds, and if you look close, you'll find the enchantments of nature. There's a rider spider. Actually, there's a couple of them hiding around here. Oop, here's the other one. And how do you tell the difference between a weed and a flower? Well, it's tough in my garden. Like these beautiful purple flowers, weeds, some say, but leave it up to you, right? I'm gonna undo this mess with a variety of instruments in just a minute. But look around, there's so much enchantment here in Pittsboro. The bees and the butterflies and all this beauty of nature. So here we are. Play outside, right? Play ball, play outside. Whoa!